Shouldn't be mixing white brown, but that's how you feeling right now. You still sleeping on you, you the baddest in your.
What's up, gang? Welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Today I have an appointment at Sears to get my car checked out. Ever since we got the 20 inches of snow here in Chicago, every time I drive and turn my wheel, it makes this loud moaning noise, and I don't know what's wrong with it. So they'll be checking that out today. Sears is in the same parking lot as the mall, so while I wait for my car to get looked at, I'm gonna hit up a couple of stores, bring you guys along with me, see what I can find. I'm about to head out the door right now, so I'll catch you guys when I get to the mall. Okay, so I finally made it, you guys. There's no one really here in the mall. I have to wait 45 minutes until they're done checking out my car, and then I'm going to head back over. Oh, Bath and Body Works. Let's check it out and see what they got.
How you doing so far, love?
I should definitely be able to find something up in here. Oh, it's cute. It's a rib crop top. Y'all, I really hope I don't get copyrighted for this music. Oh, this is cute. Look at it. Look at the ruching. So I found a few decent items up in there. If you guys want to see what else I got, stay tuned. the extra one? Why they trying to say it's $1,500 worth of work? I'll take it somewhere else. I ain't no goofy. Okay, so this is my last stop. Going to hit up 5 and Below to get my little brother a charger and to see if I could find anything for myself. And after this, I'm probably just going to grab some food and head home. What's a joke? I'm supposed to be 2X from. That's a joke. Okay, y'all, so I made it back home, and I'm gonna quickly go over the purchases that I made because I'm hungry and ready to eat. We can start with 5 and Below. So I picked up some sports bras to work out in. I got it in size extra large. This definitely doesn't look like an extra large. It's really stretchy though, so we'll see. But if I was to work out in this, it'd probably be a real light workout, probably with some resistance bands, nothing heavy, because I don't want my breasts to pop out at all or to be bouncing all out of control, whether I'm in the house or not. The next item is another sports bra. I really like this one. Now this is an extra large. This is a true extra large, actually. I love the color. I love how big it is. The stretch around the waist part. And it looks like it's going to be full coverage. And, you know, these came from 5 and Below, so don't expect too much, okay? It's going to do what it's going to do to get you through your workout, and that's about it. I mean, what can you really expect for $5, okay? And I got this one. It's in an extra large. I mean, it's in a large. It's not in an extra large. I seen the extra large one, but it was super big. Way bigger than this one. And this is the extra large. Okay? Can't wait to try them out and work out in them. And I grabbed this one as well. It's in an extra large. It's going to be full coverage, just like the last two. Can't wait to try them out and let you guys know how they work out for me. And this is the last sports bra that I got it in a size large because the extra large looked way too big. All these were $5. You can't beat a sports bra for $5, especially when it looks like it's gonna hold the girls in place. And I also grabbed these little joggers. They say good vibes, really cute. And I grabbed my little brother his charger. And that is it for 5 and below. You will see me wearing these items in future workout videos. Next up is Bath and Body Works. I got my free birthday reward, which I claimed this candle holder, which is $15.95, and I got a free item for $7.50. Moving on to Charlotte Russe. I must say, since they've switched owners, it didn't really look like they had a lot of stuff in there, or at least stuff that I would wear. So I just ended up grabbing pajamas. The first ones are these. Y'all know I love my flannel. I have a pair of shorts, flannel pajama pants. Well, I have a pair of flannel shorts, pajamas that I showed you from Foreman Mills. And to go with this, is it this top? No, it's not. It is. Let me see. I want to make sure I'm grabbing the right thing. That's how goes with that. Oh yeah, it's this one. This one goes with that one. Mornings should be optional, is what it says. It's really cute. And then the next set I got are these. Oh, the first set was in a size large. The bottoms are in a large, the top is an extra large. And the next one is these cute heart-shaped pants with the black background. And all the pajama pants have a tight, was tight at the ankles, so they're not flare. And I also got these bottoms. Oh, I got these bottoms in an extra large. Why, I don't know. I'll see which one I like best. Hopefully they both fit nice. And I got the top in an extra large, and the top says, "But first sleep," with a pair of eyelashes and hearts. And the last pajama set I got is this cheetah print one. Love cheetah print, so cute. The pants are tight at the bottom around the leg as well. I got these in an extra large too. And I got the top in an extra large. Those, the first set must have been on the wrong hanger. And the top says "Fabulous" with gold and a heart. So for the pajamas, I ended up paying $7.20. Wow. I ended up paying $7.20 for each one, and that is because when you first sign up with the new owners, with the new company that owns Charlotte Russe, they give you, I don't know if you're going to be able to see that, they give you a 10% off discount. Where is it at? There it is. Loyalty card discount. When you sign up, they text you a code, so you get 10% off. So not bad for $7.20 a piece for an actual set. These are sets. And that is all that I'm going to show you. If you want to know what I purchased from Rue 21, stay tuned. I'm going to be doing a Rue 21 try-on haul, and I'm going to show you guys my dinner. For dinner, I claimed my cheesy bread from my birthday rewards from Pizza Hut and some Wingstop garlic wings with mango habanero, and I ended my night with a glass of wine. Thanks for watching.